Welcome everybody. We are from Maths and Science channel. Maths and Science channel. We started this series of solving problems in algebra for the benefit of Maths Olympiad. IIT, JEE, Mains and Advanced aspirants. Now, in this video, I have taken a very typical question. It can't be solved that easily by the knowledge of regular mathematics. We should have a knowledge of higher mathematics like modular arithmetics. And the question is m into x to the power of y into y to the power of x is equal to 570 factorial plus 1. We have to find all the three variables. X, y and m are three variables. We have to find. Only one equation is given. Is it possible in normal sense to calculate 570 factorial? By ordinary mathematics what we have studied up to higher secondary, it's not possible to find out 570 factorial that easily. It's a very tough job. Now, there is a trick. The trick has to be applied. And I am going to explain the trick, how to solve this 570 factorial plus 1 and how to solve this m into x to the power of y into y to the power of x. How to find out x, y and m. We have to find out m, x and y in this equation. It's a very tricky, tough question. If you apply the regular mathematics, if you apply some theorems of number theory, then we may be able to solve this. I have already released more than 10 videos on the subjects of algebra and solving tricky algebra equations. Please refer to my earlier lectures, and I have released a short also today, and that short also you can see. It's an excellent example of number theory, modular arithmetics, and good for algebraic brains. And that short of 40 seconds also gives very good insight for the aspirants appearing for Maths Olympiad examination and IIT JEE Mains and advanced also. Now, let's dwell into the question and try to solve it. What is the question? M into x to the power of y into y to the power of x is equal to 570 factorial plus 1. That means x to the power of y and y to the power of x. It implies x to the power of y into y to the power of x divides 570 factorial plus 1. This is the meaning of it. M is any number. We are going to find out m also in this. Now, Apply Wilson theorem. Wilson theorem. What Wilson theorem says? If P is any prime, please listen to me carefully. If P is any prime, then P minus 1 factorial is divisible by P. This is the Wilson theorem. P is any prime. P minus 1 factorial is divisible by P minus 1 factorial plus 1 is divisible by P. P is any prime. That we can write in modular arithmetic. We'll write P minus 1 factorial equivalent to minus 1 mod P. This only I have translated. This minus 1, let us bring it to left hand side. P minus 1 factorial plus 1 equivalent to 0 mod P. 0 mod P means there is no remainder. In this equation, I have told you in the previous classes also. This is the remainder. This is the main number. And this is the number prime number, which divides this main number. Please try to understand. That means when remainder is 0, P, when it is a prime number, it divides P minus 1 factorial plus 1. As per Wilson theorem, what it is? When P is equal to prime, it means P divides factorial P minus 1 plus 1. This is what is the Wilson theorem. Now, what is the factorial? Here it is 570 factorial. Can we write it as 571 minus 1 factorial? Yes. And let us denote this as P. Please see that as a homework. Please see that 571 is a prime number. Here 571 is equal to prime number. Hence we can apply Wilson theorem without any problem. Hence 571 minus 1 factorial plus 1 is divisible by 571. Do you agree? It is as per Wilson theorem. That means m into x to the power of y into y to the power of x is equal to 570 factorial plus 1 is nothing but divisible by, this is divisible by 571. That means m into x to the power of y into y to the power of x is equal to divisible by 571, which implies x to the power of y into y to the power of x is equal to 571. Because m is already integer we have taken. That means the whole is divisible by x to the 571. That means x to the power of y into y to the power of x is equal to 571. Because 571 is a prime number, it has only two roots. One is 571 itself and 1 roots. That means x is equal to 571 and y is equal to 1. Let us apply and see here. 571 to the power of 1 into 1 to the power of 571, that is equal to 571. Just see. That means I can safely take x is equal to 571, y is equal to 1. X and y we have got. Now next is to find out what is the value of m. You just see next step. It is also very important. Please don't miss any step here. Try to understand. M into x to the power of y into y to the power of x is equal to 570 factorial plus 1. Therefore, m is equal to 570 factorial plus 1 by x to the power of y into y to the power of x. Do you agree? That is nothing but 570 factorial plus 1 divided by x is 571 to the power of 1 y is y to the 1 to the power of 571. That is equal to 570 factorial plus 1 by 571. That means what are the values we have got? By solving this equation using Wilson theorem. If you go by ordinary mathematics like calculating 570 factorial, our whole paper will be filled with numbers only. Answer will not come out that easily. It will be very, very difficult. By applying the Wilson theorem, we got in few seconds the answer. That means m is equal to 570 factorial plus 1 divided by 571. X is equal to 571, y is equal to 1. These three are the answers which we have got. And because x to the power of y into y to the power of x, we can even interchange x and y also. M will remain same, x is equal to 1 and y is equal to 571. We can say either. This is the final solution for this problem. If you have liked this problem, please subscribe to my channel. I will be releasing this type of tricks, maths and science, and I will be releasing this type of tricks very often, almost a trick a day you can say. And you see, while seeing the question how it was, m into x to the power of y into y to the power of x is equal to 570 factorial plus 1. It looks uncommon equation. Uncommon, yes, it is uncommon equation. But when we went into the details, with the help of some theorems in number theory, we could solve this very easily. One is Wilson theory. Wilson theorem. I will give the link to my short video also, where Wolstenholme's theorem is explained. Wolstenholme's theorem is explained, and we have solved a tricky problem there. You please see that this also, my short video, I will give it in the description. And these are all very good problems and very good theorems, which if you are unaware, you may not be able to solve the questions in especially Maths Olympiad, IIT, JEE, Mains and Advanced. Because I am an IITian, I know what type of tricky questions can be asked in mathematics, and those tricky questions I am collecting and I am presenting in my videos. Please see my videos and review my videos and comment on my videos, so that I will be able to answer your queries, or I take your suggestions for improvement. Best of luck to everybody. Best of luck in your examinations. Thank you for seeing my video, and also thank you for listening to me. Please subscribe to my channel Maths and Science. It is my channel name. Thank you. Best of luck.